Hey everyone, welcome back to About Life. Do you like journaling? Research has said that journaling is a powerful and rewarding practice. You know, the act of putting pen to paper is both powerful and insightful, making it a valuable tool for self-discovery and mental well-being. So, if you're looking to transform your mindset and boost your personal growth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 journaling techniques that can change your life and mind. So grab your favorite notebook and pen, and let's get started. Number 1. Morning pages. This technique, popularized by Julia Cameron in The Artist's Way, involves writing 3 pages of stream of consciousness thoughts every morning. It helps clear mental clutter and fosters creativity. Just let your thoughts flow without worrying about grammar or structure. Number 2. Bullet journaling. If you love organization, this method is for you. Create a custom system with bullet points for tasks, events, and notes. It's perfect for tracking goals, daily tasks, and reflections in one versatile notebook. Number 3. Gratitude journaling. Start or end your day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life and helps cultivate a more optimistic mindset. Number 4. Reflective journaling. Use prompts and questions to dig deep into your thoughts and feelings. Reflect on your experiences, challenges, and growth. This technique helps you gain insights and track personal development over time. Number 5. Mood tracking. Incorporate charts or mood trackers into your journal to monitor your emotional patterns. This technique can help you understand triggers, recognize patterns, and make adjustments to improve your well-being. Number 6. Vision journaling. Create a visual representation of your goals and dreams. Use images, drawings, and affirmations to make your aspirations tangible. Regularly reviewing your vision board keeps you motivated and focused. Number 7. Daily logs. Track your daily activities, accomplishments, and reflections. This technique helps you stay organized and provides a record of your progress and experiences, making it easier to review and adjust your plans. Number 8. Mind mapping. Use mind maps to brainstorm ideas and organize your thoughts visually. This technique is great for problem solving, planning projects, and exploring new concepts in a creative way. Number 9. Affirmation journaling. Write positive affirmations to reinforce your goals and boost your self-esteem. Regularly repeating these affirmations can help reshape your mindset and build confidence. Number 10. End of day reflection. Take a few minutes each evening to reflect on your day. Consider what went well, what you learned, and what you'd like to improve. This practice helps you end the day on a positive note and prepares you for tomorrow. And there you have it, 10 journaling techniques to change your mind and enhance your life. Give these a try and see which ones resonate with you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this.